hope fading completely to black for the 18 souls aboard the Indian Navy's doomed submarine INS Sindhu Rakshak. The government today officially released the names of 18 people who were on board, a sign that its worst fears are in fact real. The submarine was completely gutted from inside and sank after it was ripped apart by the explosion that took place on Wednesday night. Through the day, specialist divers from the Indian Navy failed to assess the 18 personnel who were inside the submarine in what was seen as a last-ditch attempt nearly 50 hours after the explosion doomed the submarine. Attempts to pump out water both from ballast tanks as well as flooded compartments of submarine met with no success. The interior is completely flooded with murky sea water and there's been massive internal damage to the hull of the submarine. Defence Ministry said the diving efforts have been hampered by extremely poor visibility inside the submarine. The heat of the explosion has melted parts of the internal hull, deforming the submarine hatches and preventing access to interior compartments.
Navy divers have entered INS Sindhu Rakshak late evening 14th August and efforts continue round the clock to ascertain the status of 18 trapped personnel who were inside the submarine at the time of the incident. Trapped personnel have not yet been sighted or recovered. There has been large-scale ingress of seawater into the submarine due to the explosion. Diving and salvage operations are continuing round the clock.
Meanwhile, the agonizing wait continues for the families of those officers who were on board the submarine when it exploded.
हम यही कहना चाहते हैं कि उनका ये फ़र्ज़ बनता था कि हमारा बच्चा उधर उनके पास सर्विस कर रहा था, तो उन्होंने कुछ न कुछ मैसेज हमें ज़रूर देना चाहिए था कि हाँ जी वो ऐसा हुआ है कि वो ब्लास्टिंग हुआ, कुछ भी हुआ, हमें परेशानी में पड़े हैं सारे, हमें कहीं हमारे आदमी कुछ कहीं घूम रहे हैं, दिल्ली में कोई ऐसे घूम रहा है, कोई पता नहीं चल रहा है, उन्होंने कोई ऐसा राब्ता ऑफिसरों ने हमारे साथ नहीं किया।
वही कि मतलब पनडुब्बी मतलब डूब गई है और उसमें यहाँ लोग गायब हैं, तो रात में तो नहीं आ सका था मैं, सुबह में आया हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से मतलब खोजबीन चालू है, अभी तक डेड बॉडी भी नहीं मिल पाई है और कुछ पता नहीं लग पा रहा है।